Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're very welcome for tuning into my channel. So in today's video, this is the scarf wig I've made. If you see my previous video, I'll be sure to put the link down in the description box below. So I just decided it has no coily end, but I just want to put it, I just want the tip to be in a coily end. So I'll just be showing you how I'll be able to do it today, and I'll be making use of my flexible rod for them. So just stay tuned as you watch the way I do it. I'm just going to coil the tip of it, not all, the tip of it. So just watch it. So I've done this part. Can you all see? So easy. So I'll be showing you this part now. So the way I've done this, I'll do the other side that way. So guys, this is how it is looking. So right now I'll go ahead to dip it in the hot water. So I'll just come back to show you how the result is. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So I already dip it in the hot water, so I'm going to just lose it out. Can you see, guys? It's looking good. The colors are well defined. Can you see? Wow. Nice. Let me just do the same to the other. Can you see, guys? See, the colors came out real good. Real good. So I'll just go ahead to do the other side. So guys, this is how it is looking at the end of everything. Can you see? The coils really came out good. So I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it to whoever needs it, and don't forget to comment to let me know what you feel about this process I went through. And don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye.